In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a single table for a multiple response question using WinCross. First, we'll begin by creating a job file. File, new job. And use the default profile. We need to open a data file, so you can go to File, Open, Open Data, or you can use the red folder. Next, I'm going to go to the Variables tab of the data file, and I'm going to scroll down to question 7. Question 7 is the question we're going to be using for this example. First, I'm going to expand the labels. Question 7 is a basic multiple response type question. We can see here we have what fast food restaurants have you visited in the last 30 days? McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, Domino's, etc. Our variables are Q7_1 through Q7_10. The way this is programmed is it's just your basic multiple response question with ones and zeros. So 1 being that they selected the option and 0 is that they did not. So we just want to create a single multiple response table for this question. To do this, we're going to go to Setup Express Tables from Variable Data. Find our variables, question 7_1 through question 7_10. In our creation options, we're going to use Summary of Frequencies. Summary of Frequencies allows you to create a table based off a specific code value. In our case, we want all of the ones for these 10 variables. You could also use Summary of Frequencies to create a top 3 box summary table, bottom 3 box summary table, etc. So first, we'll select our ones, the values that we want to see on the table. We have a few different options down below here. Use variable label from the first selected variable as a table title. We're going to take the title from our first variable and already have that populated for our table title. Use value labels as row text. Since our code values have the label of the restaurant they went to, we can already steal that text, so let's go ahead and use that option. And show filter row. Click OK. Let's go ahead and edit our table. So looking at the title here, we can see what fast food restaurants have you visited in the last 30 days. If we scroll to the end here, we can see McDonald's is here. This is because we took it from our first variable. So let's go ahead and get rid of the McDonald's text. So I have question 7, what fast food restaurants have you visited in the last 30 days? Down below we have all of our rows. We have McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, etc. And we see the logic here is just all the ones for those variables. So question 7_1 is a 1, question 7_2 is a 1, etc. That's it, we're done with our table. So let's go ahead and run and see how it looks. Select OK, go to Run Tables, select our question 7, and we now have a single table for a multiple response question. Thank you for watching this video. Check out our other videos and also check out our online help.